Hello. If you already have a WooCommerce store integrated with AppScenic, the next time you sign into your account, you will see this pop up. It means you have to upgrade your WooCommerce store as soon as possible. So here's what you need to do to install the new AppScenic plugin and upgrade your store. First, make sure you are logged into your WooCommerce store, then click on this Install Plugin button on your AppScenic account. Once you do that, the AppScenic Plugin page will open up on your WordPress account. Here, on this page, you need to click on Install Now, then on Activate. You should now see AppScenic on the bottom left menu of your WordPress dashboard. If it doesn't appear immediately, just refresh the page as we just did. Here you have it. Now just click on it, and on this page, choose to connect this store to AppScenic. And you will be redirected to your AppScenic account where you'll get this notification. And that's all. This is how you upgrade your WooCommerce store on AppScenic. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping.